What I love when I'm eating an ice cream cone is getting to the bottom of it and finding that sweet little chocolate surprise. Yummy. Not only is ice cream awesome the whole time you're eating it, but just when you're all sad because it's almost gone, surprise, you get a chocolate treat. Speaking of cold stuff, that reminds me of something really cool. Michelin Alpin 6 winter tyres. I was reading a magazine the other day that said that these tyres keep their grip throughout their life. When you drive, your tyres wear out and you'll need to change them because they'll start slipping and spinning. And then, surprise, with their evolving tread pattern, new grooves appear. They call that Evergrip Technologies. So it's safe to accelerate on snow because the tyres maintain great traction until the last mile. Can you imagine? You know, a car without Michelin winter tyres is a little like an ice cream without the chocolate treat at the bottom. It's lame, but that's just my amateur, I've read everything on the subject opinion. So let's get another. It's a bit far to go though. I'd guess it's about 5.9 metres. And that distance is key because in the snow, Michelin Alpin 6 tyres, even when worn, will stop you 5.9 metres shorter than the average competitor. Tell me if that doesn't make you want to go get a set. Mister, I'm always afraid to drive out in the snow. And you won't have to change them as often because they last a long time. Think about all the trips you take when you need something a little extra. Just saying. For me, these tyres are the best. I'm super demanding, you know.